Hello everyone. Today I want to show you my trip from Medellin to Guatapé and El Peñol. This was a very special experience because we traveled in a traditional Colombian bus called Chiva. A Chiva is a colorful bus. It has bright colors, music, and a happy atmosphere. It is very popular here in Colombia, specifically for these trips. We started our trip early in the morning in Medellin. The weather was fresh and nice when we got on the Chiva. There was music and people were excited. It felt like a party on wheels. And then we started our trip early in the morning, and as we left the city, the view started to change. We saw fewer buildings and more nature. There were green mountains, trees, and small houses. The road had many curves, and the views were beautiful and absolutely amazing. One thing I really liked about the Chiba is that you can feel the wine and enjoy the fresh air. It is not like a normal bus. It feels more free and fun. During the trip, we stopped a few times to take pictures. The landscapes were absolutely awesome. Everything looked very green and peaceful. Were buildings and more nature. There were green mountains, trees, and small houses. The road had many curves, and the views were beautiful and absolutely amazing. One thing I really liked about the Chiba is that you can feel the wine and enjoy the fresh air. It is not like a normal bus. It feels more free and fun. During the trip, we stopped a few times to take pictures. The landscapes were absolutely awesome. Everything looked very green and peaceful. Then, after a few hours, we started to see La Piedra del Peñol. It's a very big rock and it's very tall. It looks like very impressive, honestly. Many people was around it climbing it using the stairs. There are more than 700 steps in order to get to the top of this absolutely massive rock. Later, we went to the reservoir. It is a large body of water with small islands around it. During the boat ride, we saw an old place that belonged to Pablo Escobar, this famous individual from here. And then we we just uh, we just learned a little bit from the history. We also learned that many years ago the original town of El Peñol was flooded to create the reservoir The people had to move, and a new town was built. Then we visited a replica of the old town El Peñol. This place shows how the town looked like before. It was very interesting and a little historical. After that, we had some time to relax, eat, and enjoy the place. Finally, it was time to go back to Medellin. We got on the Chiva again. There was music, people were absolutely happy, and we enjoyed the ride back. Honestly, it was a great experience. Yes, specifically to visit all these um, memorable places or locations nearby. And of course, let me tell you that this trip takes around between 2 and 3 hours from the city of Medellin to the town or village of Guatapé. Okay, so finally, this trip was amazing. We saw beautiful places, learned about history, and enjoy Colombian culture. If you visit Colombia, I highly recommend to do this trip. It is absolutely awesome. There are many places to visit here, many activities to do as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good one. And basically I do this activity with a cycling group, and that's why you can see many bikes on the video, because we were cycling around this town doing an absolutely amazing uh, journey. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe, give me a like if you like this video.